Hi, my name is Tyler Anderson. Today's date is January 23rd, 2025, and today we're going to be filming a video source inspection for Sitek Process Solutions. Since our videos are uploaded to the web and we want to keep our customers' privacy, the PO number associated with this tool is 1458006. Today we're going to be looking at a fully refurbished ST460 unit sent in by one of our customers. I'm going to get this tool going and then we'll discuss our entire refurb process during the cycle. Before we begin the cycle, we're going to open the door here. You see that we have a cassette because we never want to run our SRD without a cassette in here. Nice and easy to go in. We're going to close the door and get this started. So today we're going to be running a typical spin rinse dryer process. That's going to start with a rinse cycle. That's just going to rinse our substrates with DI water, expelling any particles off of them and rinsing it down in. Next, we're going to have a purge sequence where we're going to make sure that there's no water left in any of the lines before we go into the dry cycles. We have dry 1, where we spin at a higher RPM, really using centrifugal force to pull that water off of the substrates and cassette. And then dry 2, we're going to slow things down, let the heater do the rest of the work, and just finish off any remaining water that's potentially left on there. Like this SRD, every SRD that comes through Sitek for a refurbishment is going to go through the same extensive refurb process. First, we take a tool and we're going to break it down to the component level. Here we're going to individually test all the components on the SRD for functionality and chemically clean and electropolish any of the metal parts. We're also going to do a full inspection of the poly housing and replace anything that's necessary. The customer on this order decided to fully redo their poly because it wasn't in the best shape. Now we have beautiful poly on each sides, perfectly fitting to our controller as well. Once all parts have been prepped, the SRD is going to be moved into our dry quality control area. This is where we build the SRD up prior to having any facilities installed. We're going to check it for function just by going through each part manually and making sure that everything lines up correctly. Once the dry quality control has been passed, we go to wet quality control. This is where the facilities are installed. The process runs are fully run throughout the entire cycle to see. And we're going to run each head assembly 50 times with varying process recipes. This is to ensure that no matter what process or what recipe you decide to run, that your SRD when it shows up is going to be ready to rock and roll for you. In addition to SRD refurbishments, Sitek also offers 100% spare parts and service on anything that you can need to keep this tool running. That includes motors, motor repairs, controller repairs. We have door seals, windows, solenoid valves, ACR valves, door switches, and pretty much any other part, mechanical, electrical, or a consumable that you would need for the SRD, we can help you out and supply it. Here at Sitek, we also are constantly working on other tools as well. We have box washers, mask cleaners, wet benches that we're starting this year, and all of these other tools that we can help assist you with. Just like right behind me, we have a mask cleaner that we've just refurbished and worked on. So if you have any questions about any of your other front-end wafer fab equipment, please don't hesitate to reach out to us, and there's a great chance that we're going to be able to help support you. For the SRDs, we've also developed our own Slick device controller. This is a smart, intelligent touchscreen controller that's going to be a plug-and-play option for your SRDs on the 101 or the 102 controller. What the controller does, the main function is it's going to save you nitrogen by disengaging the low-pressure purge when not needed. It has maintenance and process abilities such as individual component troubleshooting, individual component actuation, data logging, multiple recipes, and easy to use, very, very user-friendly, easy to use functions. So if you'd like any information on the Slick device and how it can make your life easier in the fab, please check out our YouTube channel where we have multiple videos, or reach out to us and we would be happy to give you some more information and see how we could get the Slick device into your fab. So it looks like we're coming to the end of our dry time right now. So as we're waiting, we're going to wait for the motor and the rotor to upright and to lock into position here. It's slowly going to ramp down And we can also see that the door is still sealed. The door will unseal once this is ready to be opened. We never want to try opening the door before it's ready because we can cause additional damage. And it just uprighted, perfect. So we're gonna open our door here. If we look in the bowl, there's minimal water droplets remaining around the bowl, which is perfect. That is totally okay to see. The main thing we want to see, which is exactly what I'm seeing right now, cassettes that are warm to the touch, completely dry cassettes and substrates, and no water remaining on any of those. So we've successfully completed a process run in this SRD, and it's ready to be sent back to our customer. If you have any questions about this process or anything else that we do at Sitek, please reach out to us at sales@sitekprocess.com, or you can call me directly at 916-975-2215. Thank you.